today for my brow, I'm gonna be using the brow pencil in dark brown from E.L.F. This is a little bit too dark for me though, so I'm just gonna take my time and do this. I'm just gonna go back in with the brush at the front and just brush this in. Oh, I look so scary right now. Don't go outside looking like this, people, please. So now we're gonna go in with our concealer. So for the concealer, I got 10 Latte. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean under my brows. Concealer is a little bit too light for me, so I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm going to be mixing in the concealer is Maybelline. So this is it right here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that in the concealer and then clean my brow. Yeah, this is so much better. Just the concealer by itself, it was just too much. Go back in with Maybelline to clean on top of my eyebrows. That's coming already nice. It don't look bad at all. It looks good. Guys, I don't know if you can hear the wind outside. It's so bad outside right now. Like, it's crazy. Like at first I thought the pencil was too dark for me, but blending it out and fixing everything, it looks really good. I like it. Okay, so now my eyebrow is done. Let's start with the eyeshadow now. So for the eyeshadow I'm going to be using today, this is the one I'm going to be using. Love the colors. I love the color. I'm not sure which look I'm going for here. I'm just going to play in the eyeshadows. So I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer and put it on my eyelid. For the first shade I'm going to be using, I think I'm going to use this orange shade. Now I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here. This I think it's like a dark purple or something. So that's what I'm gonna use next. And just so you guys should know, I have two brushes the same. I use this one for the orange shade, and now I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it, with this shade right here. I'm just gonna blend everything out. And then now I'm gonna go back in. There's a lot of photo. I'm gonna go back in with this next purple color, this one, and I'm just gonna take the same shade that I use for the same brush that I use for the dark purple, I'm gonna go in with this light purple. Take it and just, you know, just go over this and see my shadow. That's looking really good. I was thinking to go in with the black, but I'm not sure if I want to add a little bit of black there. Maybe I should add a little bit of black, like a little bit. I'm just gonna tap the brush it off, and just add it on it. I'm just gonna go in now and cut my crease. So now I finished doing my other eyebrow off camera. Now I'm just gonna set my concealer. Go in with this white shade, like a new looking shade here. This orange shade and this purple shade. Oh, that's looking nice. It's coming already nice. Really nice. So now I'm just gonna go in with the purple shade now, the light purple. We're gonna go in with our mascara and eyeliner. So for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using the waterproof eyeliner. I don't know if I like this pen. So dry. Let me try to shake it up and see where it might work out. So while I was doing my wing line, the eyeliner dried on me. It's dry. So now I'm going to use my NYX eyeliner. So the two foundation I'm gonna be using is Mocha and Nutmeg. I'm gonna be mixing these two to get my perfect shade. So now I'm just gonna go in and set my concealer. Now I'm just gonna bronze my face so I can get my skin color back. Bronzer that I'm using is not from them. I couldn't find a bronzer, so what I'm just gonna use. Take my brush and dust off the scrub powder. Now this is looking. I take the dark purple shade and I'm just gonna line my lip with it. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is the 10 Rose. Love this lipstick. I love it, guys. It looks so pretty. So I forgot to put on my highlighter, so let me go ahead and do that now. The highlighter is not even. Hold on, let me try this. This is so ghetto, guys. Okay, this is so ghetto. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead now and take this cap off and fix my hair, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I really like how it came out, especially the eyeshadow. I would definitely be buying eyeshadow from E.L.F again. The only thing I didn't like was the eyeliner and the setting powder. Apart from that, everything was good. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.